Now it is clear board. Okay, we'll start. Now we start exercise 1.5, 6th question. Subtract the following decimals. Subtract the following decimals. Subtract the following decimals. Subtract the following decimals using the number line. Using the number line. Subtract now. Why you want me to send on the WhatsApp? You don't want to pay attention here? Eh? Tell me. Yes. Yes. Subtract the following decimals using the number line. First, A 0.8 minus 0.4. 0.8 minus 0.4. We want to subtract 0.4 from 0.8. So we can write 0.8 as 8 upon 10. 8 upon 10. Because after decimal there is one digit. So 0.8 we can write 8 upon 10. 0.4 I can write 4 upon 10. Because after decimal there is one digit. So when we remove the decimal, in denominator it will be 8 upon 10. When we remove the decimal, it will be 4 upon 10. Because after decimal there is one digit. So when we remove the decimal, it will be 10. After decimal 2 digit, when we remove the decimal, it will be 100. After decimal 3 digit, when we remove the decimal, it will be 1000. So here it is after decimal 1 digit, so that we write 8 upon 10 minus 4 upon 10. Let us plot the number line. Now in this case, 8 upon 10 and 4 upon 10. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, if it after decimal, if there are 2 digits, then it will be 100. Yes, so 8 upon 10 minus 4 upon 10. Now denominator is bigger. 8 and 10, denominator is bigger, so 8 upon 10, this fraction will lie between 0 and 1. Again 4 upon 10, denominator is bigger, so this fraction will lie between 0 and 1. So now we divide the number line between 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts. Is it clear? Because denominator is bigger. Numerator is 8, denominator is 10. So whenever denominator is bigger, the fraction lie between 0 and 1. Here also denominator is bigger. So the fraction will lie between 0 and 1. So now we divide the number line. Because 8 upon 10, denominator is 10 and denominator is bigger than numerator. Wait. Yes, then it will not lie between 0 and 1. It will lie somewhere else. Yes. So now we divide the number line. We divide the number line between 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts. 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts. So 0 I can write 0 upon 10, then 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10. How minus? It is plus 8 upon 10. So first I will divide the number line between 0 and 1. Yes, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 6 upon 10, 7 upon 10, 8 upon 10, 9 upon 10, and last is 1, which we write 10 upon 10. So now we divide the number line between 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts. Now first we represent 8 upon 10. represent 8 upon 10, I will move 8 steps to the right of 0. To the right of 0, I will move 8 steps. Yes, I will write. First I am showing this part. 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step, 7 step and 8 step. We reach 8 upon 10. Yes, you have to write. So now we write. This part I am erasing. Yes, you write. Yes. Yes. This is 0 to 1. We divide into 10 equal parts. So 0 upon 10, 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, up to 10 upon 10. 10 upon 10 is same as 1. So we write to represent 8 upon 10, right? To represent 8 upon 10. 8 upon 10, first we represent. So we move 8 steps. 8 steps to we move 8 steps to the right of 0 directly. To the right of 0 directly. To represent 8 upon 10, I will move 8 steps to the right of 0. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step, 7 step, 8 step. We reach 8 upon 10. Now from this 8 upon 10, we want to remove 0.4. We want to remove 0.4. So now we write to subtract 4 upon 10. To subtract 4 upon 10 from 8. From this 8 upon 10, we want to subtract 4 upon 10. 4 upon 10 from 8. Yes, now what you will do? Tell me. What you will do? Yes. Now it is minus, negative. So whenever you want to subtract, you have to jump to the left. So it is 4 upon 10. So 4 steps, I will jump to the left. So this is 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Yes, downward also you can write. And this is 4th step. So where we reach? We reach 4 upon 10. Is it clear? So we reach 4 upon 10. To subtract 4 upon 10 from 8, we jump 4 step. We jump 4 step. This is 8 upon 10. Now from 8 upon 10 we want to subtract 4 upon 10. To subtract 4 upon 10, I will make 4 jump to the left. 4 jump. Yes. We make 4 jump to the left. We make 4 jump to the left. Yes. To the left. We make 4 jump to the left to reach the point where we reach. Yes, where we reach. When we make 4 jump to the left, we reach the point 1, 2, 3, 4. Where we reach? We reach the point 4 upon 10. We reach the point 4 upon 10. Yes, second step. This black one is second step. Black one is second step. You can show downward, no problem. You can show downwards. So we reach to the point 4 upon 10. So finally we write 8 upon 10 minus 4 upon 10 is 4 upon 10. Yes. 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 From 8 upon 10, we have to remove 4 upon 10. So I have to jump 4 steps to the left. No. At the end I will write. 8 upon 10 means 0.8. 4 upon 10 means 0.4. And again 4 upon 10 is 0.4. Yes. Answer is yes. Yeah. Yes. No. Yes, no problem. 4 jump to the left. You can write 4 jump to the left of 8 upon 10. No problem. It is understood. Even if you don't write, it is understood. Once we reach 8 upon 10, from there I will jump. No. I will jump from the current position. Current position is yes, right. 4 jump to the left of 8 upon 10. Once we reach 8 upon 10, then to subtract 4 upon 10, I will make 4 jump. I will make 4 jump to the left. I will make 4 jump to the left. Okay. Second step. Once you reach 8 upon 10, then to subtract 4 upon 10, you have to jump to the left. Whenever you want to subtract, you have to jump to the left. So it is 4 upon 10. So I will make 4. You have to jump from 8 upon 10, no, to the left. So 4 jump. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump. Where you reach? 4 upon 10. So when you make 4 jump to the left of 8 upon 10, you reach to the point 4 upon 10. So 4 upon 10 is same as 0.4. No. See, no. Not from left. Not from left. Towards left. You have to jump towards left, not from left. Are you getting? Towards left you have to jump when you want to subtract. Yes, mute the microphone. Yes, mute the microphone. Yes. Slowly I will go. Write fast. It is very much clear. No, it is very much clear. Yes, it is very much clear. Now let us. Yes. Yes. Why you want to join? It should come at the time, no? Even 5-minute relaxation I had given to him. Yes. Yes, sir. Now B, yes, mute the microphone. B 0.9, 0.9 minus 0.5. Yes, mute the microphone immediately. Those who have come late. Then C part is 0.3 minus 0.3, 0.3 minus 0.3. D is 0.7, 0.7 minus 0.2. E is, wait, let me first discuss, no, 0.6 minus 0.1, then F is 0.9 minus 0.7. So B, C, D, E, F. If you want one more, I will solve. A I have done. Now out of B, C, D, yes. Yes. 1 minute, 1 minute. B is 0.9 minus 0.5. Yes. Let me solve C part if you want. Let us solve C part. Now others are homework. B is homework. Then D is homework. E is homework. F is homework. Let me solve C. C is 0.3 minus 0.3. C is 0.3 minus 0.3. 0.3 I can write 3 upon 10, and 0.3 I can write 3 upon 10. So 3 upon 10 minus 3 upon 10 we want to find. Not homework, I am solving this. So let us draw the number line. Then again I am telling you 3 upon 10. Yes, 3 upon 10, denominator is 10, which is bigger than numerator. So 3 upon 10 fraction will lie between 0 and 1. So I will divide the number line between 0 and 1. Yes, it is very much clear. Divide the number line between 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts. 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts. So 0 upon 10, 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, yes, 5 upon 10. See, board is very much clear. Board is very much clear. Yes, yes. 6 upon 10, 7 upon 10, 8 upon 10, 9 upon 10, and then we write 10 upon 10. 10 upon 10 is same as 1. Yes, yes. We divide the number line between 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts, because it is 3 upon 10, 3 upon 10. Denominator is 10. Now we want to represent 3 upon 10. To represent 3 upon 10, from 0, I will move 3 steps to the right. I will move 3 steps to the right. 1 step, 2 step, and 3 step. We reach to the point 3 upon 10. See, the first thing of study is, yes, wait, I am telling you, the first thing of study is that you must be honest. You must be honest and truthful. You must be truthful and honest. If you don't say the truth, if you try to say lie, then whatever education we are imparting you, that has no meaning. Yes, yes, right. So to represent 3 upon 10, I will move 3 steps to the right of 0. Right explanation. To represent 3 upon 10. Yes, right. No. Wait. To represent 3 upon 10, we move 3 steps. We move 3 steps to the right of 0. We move 3 steps to the right of 0. Yes, directly. 3 upon 10 plus 3 upon 10. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. We reach the point 3 upon 10. Yes. Now from this 3 upon 10, we want to subtract 3 upon 10. Again, to subtract 3 upon 10, to subtract 3 upon 10 from 8. Yes, no discussion. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. To subtract 3 upon 10 from 8. Yes, nobody will tell the name of any student. I am observing, I will tell. To subtract 3 upon 10 from 8. Mute the microphone. From 3 upon 10, we want to subtract 3 upon 10. So I will jump 3 steps to the left of 3 upon 10. 3 steps to the left. So now I will jump 3 steps to the left. So 1, 2, 3, we reach 0 upon 10. This is my first step and this is my second step. Second step. We jump. Yes. We jump 3 steps. Yes. Because down I have shown. No, you can show up also. No problem. Here I am having space, so I am showing down. 3 steps to the left of. Left of 3 upon 10 to reach the point 0. To reach the point 0. To reach the point 0. So to reach the point 0, where we reach 0 upon 10. 0 upon 10 is same as 0. So finally we write 3 upon 10 minus 3 upon 10 is 0. 3 upon 10 is same as 0.3. 3 upon 10, 0.3 is 0. So 0.3 minus 0.3 is 0. 0.3 minus 0.3 is 0. No, how will not come? See here, from 3 upon 10, we jump to the left, 3 steps. So 1 step, 2 step, 3rd step. There we reach 0 upon 10. 0 upon 10 is same as 0. 0 upon 10 is same as 0, right? So 0.3, yes. Yes. D, E and F. That we have already written, no? D in F, that already I have written, no? Okay, D in F. Okay. Write this part. Complete this so that I can write D, E, F question again. I have done A and C. Now B, D, E, F are homework. What is your name? What is your name? Huh? Full name Mukesh. You joined late, correct? Yes. 5 minute relaxation I had given. I have started my period 9:55. So that adjustment you do. Video I will upload, from that video you see that. Okay. Now that is your lookout. Now D is 0.7 minus 0.2. Then E. Yes, no comment, no discussion. Except me, nobody will discuss. 0.6 minus 0.1. Then F is 0.9. 0.9 minus 0.7. These are three questions. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. And you have to be in the discipline. Mute the microphone. Now yes. So D, E, F. D, E, F. All three are homework. Yes. Yes. D, E, F. B is also homework. Now we start new chapter, integers. We start new chapter, that is in now we start integers. Yes, first chapter is over. Yes. Now we start second chapter, which is integers. Yes, mute the microphone. No discussion. Now we start second chapter. We start second chapter, chapter 2, which is integers. Which is integers. Is integers. Which is integers. Now we have seen the number line. Yes. Draw this number line. We have seen the number line. In the number line has arrow at both ends. In the center we have 0. Yes, draw this number line. We have 0, then to the left, to the right of 0. Yes, draw with pen. To the right of 0, this is my right side. This is my right side. Draw it, right side. And this is my left side. From 0, yes, right. Right side, and this is my left side. Left side. In the center I have 0. Then we have from 0, we have this is my right side and this is my left side. Yes, this is my right side. Now we start. We have started integer. First I will explain. First I will explain the integers, and then we will go for solving the problem. Yes. Draw this, no? Draw this number line, then write in the set. At the center you write 0, then to the right of 0 we show this. To the left of 0 this side. Make it. To the right of 0. To the right of 0. See here. To the right of 0 we have positive number plus b. To the right of 0 we have positive number, and to the left of 0 we have negative numbers, right? Yes, mute the microphone. To the right of 0 we have positive numbers plus V means positive. To the right of 0 we have positive numbers. Who? To the right of 0 we have positive numbers. Yes, board is very much clear. And to the left of 0, to the left of 0 we have negative numbers. So we write 0, then we write plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, and dash. Means it is countless, infinite. Then to the left of 0 we have negative integers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Then we write dash. Wait. Yes. Wait. To the right of 0 we have positive. It is very much coming. You see the volume of your phone. To the right of 0 we have positive integers. Yes. To the right of 0 we have positive integers. To the left of 0 we have negative integers. Yes. No. See, normally we don't. See, normally plus minus V means negative and positive. Yes. Because normally we don't show the symbol for plus. If it is plus 2, it is understood means no sign means it is plus sign. Remember, no sign means plus sign. There is no sign. No sign means plus sign. There is no sign with 1 means it is plus 1. No sign with 2, it is plus 2. No sign means plus sign. Yes. So minus 3 already sign is there, negative sign, so we say minus 3. But whenever it is 3, no sign means it is plus sign, so we say plus 3. 3 means plus 3. So this you have to remember. integers. To the left of 0 we have negative integers. To the right of 0 we have positive integers. To the right of 0 we have positive integers. And 0 is neither negative nor positive. Yes. So write few points first. First point you write. To the right of 0, right. To the right of 0. Wait. Yes. To the right of 0. See here. See already the notice regarding discipline. Yes. Those who are creating unnecessary indiscipline, their name will be today forwarded to the class teacher. Already the message has been sent that you have to maintain discipline during the online lectures. If the board is, yes, listen to me. If the board is clear, that you see the adjustment of your phone, no? You see the adjustment of your phone, how you are handling your phone, that you have to see. Yes, right. To the right of 0, right, we have positive integers. To the right of 0, we have positive integers. To the right of 0, we have positive integers. Positive integer we write plus b. To the right of 0, we have positive. Yes. To the right of 0, we have to the right. Yes. See, this is my 0. To the right of 0, I am giving for understanding. To the right of 0, we have positive integers. We have positive integers plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, dash, countless. Write this. To the right of 0, we have positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, countless. Then to the left of 0, we have negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. We write second point. First I am writing these points for your understanding. What is integer? And then we will see the problem based on that. This is over this. Now write to the left. Right, second point. To the left of 0. Right, second point. To the left of 0. To the left of 0, we have negative integers. Yes. Yes, you have to write, no. We have negative integers. Without understanding the theory, without understanding the concept. See, wait. This will help you in solving the problem. So these are the concepts of integer. Concepts, basics. To the left of 0, we have negative integers. Right. Negative integers. Right. To the left of 0. Yes. To the left of 0. We have negative integers. Negative integers are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, so on. Dash means countless, infinite. To the left of 0, we have negative integers. To the right of 0, we have positive integers. To the right of 0, we have positive integers. To the left of 0, we have negative integers. write fast. To the left of 0. Yes, yes, mute the microphone. To the left, to the left of 0, we have negative integers. To the right of 0, we have positive integers. Positive integer means plus sign. Negative integer means minus sign. Minus V means negative. Minus V means negative. Today I will check the entire chat box. Yes. Today I will check the chat box and appropriate action I will take it against that student. Yes. Today I will check the chat box. Definitely today action will be taken against those students who are writing anything in the chat box. Yes. Today I will definitely check the chat box. Don't worry. Yes, definitely today. Yes. Today definitely action will be taken because already the notice. Mute the microphone. Yes, mute the microphone. That is what I am writing. Integer means it is a number system. First we have seen the natural number. Natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Then to this natural number it is extended. 0 we get whole number. Then again it is extended to negative side. We get the integers. Now write third point. 0 is neither positive. 0 is neither positive. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Right. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. That is why 0 has no sign. Are you getting? 0 has no sign. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So we don't write minus 0, we don't write plus 0. We simply write 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So we only write 0. We don't write plus 0 or minus 0 because 0 has no sign. It is neither negative nor positive. Then fourth point, on the number line, the number on the number line, right? On the number line, these are points. 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Then 4, on the number line, the number on the right side, on the right hand side, yes, today I will check and definitely I will take the action. On the number line, the number on the right side is greater than the number on the left side is greater than. Yes. Today I will check the number on left side. Definitely I will forward this to class teacher for appropriate action. Greater than the number on left side. Number on left side. So the number which are on the right side, they are bigger than the number on the left side. Fourth one. On the number line, the number on the right side is greater than number on the left side. So whichever, whichever number is there on the right side, that number is bigger than the number on the left side. So yes, on the number line, see, the meaning is this is my number line and this is my 0, correct? So whichever number is on, whichever number is on the right, for example, let us take 5 and let us take -8. Now which number is bigger, -8 or 5? -8 or 5, which number is bigger? 5, because 5 is on the right side. No, I had just explained. 5 is, one will be bigger because 1 is on the right of -9. No. Yes, whichever number is on the right, that number is bigger. Whichever number is on the right, that number is bigger. Now let us solve the problem based on this. Yes, wait. Let us discuss. Let us take -8. Let us take -8 and -6. Now both are, notebook. Yes, this you have to write. Not example. Example I had given for somebody asked the question. So to illustrate that, I am giving the example. Now let us take -8 and -6. -8 and -6. Both are on the left. Now second thing. Yes, because -6 on the right of, no, -6 is on the right of -8. So this number is bigger because this is on the right side. No, this is for your understanding. Somebody asked. Now we have to solve the problem based on these 4. Plus and same thing. Plus 6 and plus 5. Plus 6 will be bigger because plus 6 lies on the right. Now we'll solve the problem. Yes. Now we will solve the problem. Now we will solve the problem. Exercise 2.1. 2.1. Because this is our second chapter. So we have to start with the exercise 2.1. 1.1 means first chapter, first exercise. Wait. I did not ask any reply. So that is our jurisdiction. What I have to do? You focus on your study. Now, let us start exercise 2.1. 2.1 means second chapter, first exercise. Second chapter, first exercise. So this is our second chapter. Yes, page number 26. So is that first question and second question, that I am giving homework. First and second I am giving homework. Yes. No. See. Wait. See, this chapter PDF. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 will be homework. third. Write third. 1 and 2 are homework because they are easy. Write the opposite. No, that you have to do. 2.1 first question and second question. Allow me to speak. First question and second question are homework. Now third A. Yes, I am writing question third. Write all the integers. You leave one page. Write all the integers. Yes, see this chapter 2. Yes, wait. This chapter 2 textbook. Today I will forward in the WhatsApp group. From there you open and see that question. This question, this chapter textbook I will forward in the WhatsApp group. I will forward this textbook in the WhatsApp group. From there you see. You have to do that in the notebook. Notebook. Write all the integers between the given pairs. That question, today I will forward this in the WhatsApp group. Between the given pairs. Because they are word problem, write the opposite. Opposite you can write. Now first, that is what I am telling. This second chapter textbook I will forward in the WhatsApp group. From there you see the question. Between 0 and minus 1, 0 and minus 5. 0 and minus 5, write all the integers. Yes, it is coming very much clear. 0 and minus 5. Wait. 0 and minus 5, write all the integers. So 0 and minus 5, we write all the integers. This is 0, and this is minus 5. What are the integers between 0 and minus 5? We have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So these are the integers. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Draw this number line. So we write minus 5, 0 and minus in the today in the WhatsApp I will send the textbook copy. 0 and minus 5. So minus 5, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. This is the answer. Right. All the integers between given pairs, 0 and minus 5. So between 0 and minus 5, right. Wait. You write between 0. Yes. Yes, right. Between 0 and minus 5. Wait. Between 0 and minus 5, the integers are. Yes, speak. Between 0 and minus 5, the integers are minus 4, then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Between 0 and minus 5. Yes. between 0 and minus 5, the integers are minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. They are the integers between 0 and minus 5. Huh. Yes. Yes, that I will send in the WhatsApp group. Yes. That textbook I will send, PDF I will send in the WhatsApp group. So the integers between 0 and minus 5, what are the integers? 0 and minus 5. So, wait. To find the integer between 0 and minus 5, I will move to the left. So, next integer is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So, they are the integer between 0 and minus 5. Next question B. B is minus 3 and 3. Minus 3 and plus 3. Minus 3 and plus 3. Minus 3 and plus 3. Yes, you focus on your study. Minus 3 and plus 3. Minus 3 and plus 3. Write all the integers. Minus 3 and plus 3. Minus 3 and plus 3. This side we have 0. This is plus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then this side 1, 1, 2, 3. Yes, correct. So these are the integers between minus 3, this is minus 3 and this is plus 3. What are the integers? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So we write between minus 3 and plus 3. Yes. Right, between minus 3 and plus 3. Between minus 3 and plus 3. Between minus 3 and plus 3, the integers are what are the integers between minus 3 and plus 3? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. They are the integers between minus 3 and plus 3. They are the integers between minus 3 and plus 3. So between minus 3 and plus 3, the integers are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Then wait, why you in hurry? Minus 4 and minus 10. Minus 4 and minus 10. Minus 4 and minus 10. Yes, let me do one more. Minus 4 and minus 10. Now first we draw the number line. See, minus 4 and minus 10. So this is 0 somewhere. Then where is minus 4? Yes, tell me. Where is minus 4? To the left of 0, no? So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 6, then minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, and this is minus 10. So between these two numbers, between minus 4, this number, and minus 10, minus 4 and minus 10, what are the integers? Minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Yes, mute the microphone. So write between minus 4 and minus 10, the integers are between minus 4 and minus 10, Huh. Which part don't understand? Which part? Wait. See all. Now see minus 4 and minus 10. What are the integers? Minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Yes. So between minus 4 and minus 5, the integers are minus 5, then minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, and minus 9. So these are the integers between minus 4 and minus 10. Yes. 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 You can write minus 9, comma minus 8, comma minus 7, comma minus 6, comma minus 5. That way also you can write. That's not matter. But that sign should not change. If it is minus 9, it will remain minus 9 only. Then we have done A, B, C. Now D part, 7 and 15. 7 and 15, D is homework. D is homework, 7 and 15. Then 0 and 6, E. E is 0 and 6. 0 and 6 is also homework. So 2 homework, D and E. 7 and 15. Yes, no comment. 7 and 15 and E part is 0 and 6. E part is 0 and 6. E part is 0 and 6. Now, fourth question I am writing. Yes. In each of the following pairs, in each of the following pairs, which number lies to the left of other? Which number lies to the left of other? Which number lies to the left of other? Which number lies to the left of other on the number line? Left of other on number line. Which number lie to the left of other on number line? In each of the following pair, which number lie to the left of other on the number line? So let us see. Let us see. Let A 7, 3. Wait. Yes, mute the microphone. 7, 3. 7, 3. Yes, it is very much clear, right? 7, 3. 7, 3. You are given a pair of numbers 7 and 3. You are given a pair of number 7 and 3. Which number is on the left that you have to find on the number line? Yes. Now 7 and 3, which number is on the left that we have to find? So first we draw the number line. We draw these numbers 0, What is sign of 7? Yes. What is sign of 7? 7 has no sign, means it is plus sign. Positive, plus sign. So where will be plus 7? On the right of 0. On the right of 0. There will be plus 3 on the right of 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it is, the question is, wait. Yes, in each of the following pairs, means this is the pair. Pair means two numbers are given together. 7 and 3, 7 comma 3 means two numbers are given together. Now find which number is on the left. Which number is on the left? Which number is on the left of between 7 and 3? So out of these two numbers 7 and 3, which number is on the left? So when we draw this number 7 and 3 on the number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this is my number 3 and this is my number 7. Which number is on the left? Yes. Which number is on the left? This is my left side. This is my left. This is my left. And this is my right. So which number is on the left? 3. Yes. So we write 3 is on the left. Right? 3 lies to the left of, right? 3 lies to the left of 7. So 3 lies to the left of 7. Three lies to the left of 7. Yes. Now what I can do? Yes. See, whoever are present, we have to take care of this. Now, yes. Now write 7 and 3. So 3 lies to the left of 7. So 3 is on the left. Yes. Who is presenting? Man Patel. Okay. Right. Now you see the video and write from there. Now next is minus 6 comma minus 2, B part. Minus 6 comma minus 2, which part? L means left, R means right. Now let us take next pair minus 6 comma. Let us take next pair minus 6 comma minus 2. Now it is clear, right? Minus 6 comma minus 2. Now it is clear, right? Minus 6 comma minus 2. Minus 6 comma, right. Minus 6 comma minus 2. This is my 0. Now minus 6 is negative. Minus 6 is negative integer. Minus 2 is negative integer. And where are negative integers? They lies to the left of 0. To this side, we will have minus 6 and minus 2. So we write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. So the numbers are minus 6, this is my number minus 6 and this is my number minus 2. And this is my left hand and this is my right hand. So which number is on the left? Yes. Which minus 6 is lies to the left of minus 2. Minus 6 lies to the left of minus 2. To the left of minus 2. Yes, mute the microphone. Minus 6 lies to the left of minus 2. Minus 6 lies to the left of minus 2. Minus 6 and minus 2 both are negative integers. So when we plot them on the number line, we can easily see that this is my left hand and this is my right hand. So minus 6 is on the left. Yes, right. Then C part minus 1 comma 0, B part 9 comma minus 8, 9 comma minus 8, then E part minus 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma 2, and F part 5 comma minus 55, 5 comma minus 55. It is given in the question, no? Last sum, actually it should be 5 comma minus 5. It is misprinted as minus 55. Because minus 55 you have to show on the number line. Right. So, no. You have to just show that. You have to find. Yes, that is what I am telling. See, yes. Wait. You write this as minus 5 comma minus 5. It is misprinted as 55. You make it 5 comma minus 5 instead of 55 because you have, so C, D, E, F, these are homework. Which number is on the left? C, D, E, F, they are homework. Then which answer? Minus 6. Minus 6 is on the left of minus 2. Downward C, D, E, F. In that textbook it is written minus 55. Instead of minus 55, it is minus 5. So 5 comma minus 5. You have to find which number is on the left. Which number is on the left, that you have to find. Then my fifth question. Yes. Mute the microphone. Yes. Right. Right fast. Right. Right fast. Where? I am seeing the laptop. This question I have stored there in the laptop. Now let us write fifth one. Mark each of the following on the number line. Mark each of the following. Mark each of the following on number line. We have seen how to plot the number on the number line. Mark each of the following on the number line. Mark each of the following on the number line. A is 6, B is right, B is -2, C is -7, D is yes, I am going to give all homework. D is +5 because we have already seen how to. A is -3 because we have already seen. Yes, after plotting that number you have to circle that. We have already seen how to plot the numbers on the number line. All are homework. E is -3. Then F is 0. Then G is 8. Not you have to write. See, you have to plot the number 6. That means you have to go up to 6. Yes. You have to go up to 6. Yes, you can write 7, 8, 9, no problem. Then you have to circle 6. You can write up to 0 to 10. Then you have to circle 6. Yes. Which one? H4. Let me solve. H. Let me solve H. Yes. H. Let me solve H4. Now how we plot this number 4 on the number line? No. And let me explain. 0 you can directly write 0, no? This is my 0. Then we want +4. +4. Where will be +4? On the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side you can write -1, -2, -3. It does not matter. But where is number +4? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my +4. You have to circle this +4. No, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all are homework. All homework. H I have done. How you will plot the number 4 on the number line? A is 6, B is -2, C is -7, D is +5, E is -3, D is +5, E is -3, F is 0, G is 8, and H is 4. That I have already done. H I have done, no. H is 4. Yeah, this much only. Yes. Yes. I am giving. Okay. I am giving the easy part only homework. Yes. Now let us start 6th 6 is fill in the blank. Today I will send this textbook PDF in the WhatsApp group. From there you see. Now write fill in each of the place. Fill. No. Today I am going to start. Today I will complete. Fill in each. Today I will complete. Fill in each. Fill in each of the following. Fill in each of the place. Fill in each of the place holders with placeholders with greater or less than sign. You have to place greater or less than sign. You have to place greater or less than sign. Which number is greater or which number is smaller? That wait. Yes, -1. Yes, -1. Then we are given 0. Then B 8 and -9. B part. B 8 and -9. Let us discuss. We'll see. We will see. No. Then C part. 16 and -10. 16 and -10. B is 8 and -9. That is the question. No. 8 and -9 you have to write which is bigger, which is smaller. You can write anywhere. This is when we draw this number on the number line, we have to take care. Yes. B -10. F is 0, G is 8. F is 0, G is 8. Now E is -15 and -20. No, I will do. Then F -25 and -5. -25. Yes, -25 and -5. We have to write. So you remember, to decide which number is bigger, which number is bigger, which number is smaller, you have to see the number on the left. The number on the left will be smaller. The number on the left will be smaller and the number on the right will be bigger. So -1 and 0. -1 and 0 is on the right. So this is bigger. The number which is on the right. The number which is on the right will be bigger. So 8 is on the right of -9. So this is bigger. -16 and -10. 16 is on the right. So this is bigger. -10 and +10. +10 is on the right. So this is bigger. -15 and -20. -15 is on the right. So this is bigger. The number which is on the right is bigger. The number which is on the left will be smaller. -25, -5. Number -5 is on the right. So this is bigger. Yes. 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 See, to decide which number is bigger or smaller, the number which is on the right is bigger. -1 and 0. 0 is on the right. So 0 is bigger. How is this? Yes. Yes, you can leave. Now it is time is over. Yes, we can leave. We are going to stop here. Yes, we can stop. Now we are going to stop here because time is over. Yes, you write. I am giving time to write. Those who have completed, they can leave. D1 minus 10 and plus 10. So minus 10 and plus 10, 10 is on the right side. So 10 will be bigger. Yes. That question, which part? All the question you have to solve, no?